How to use one WhatsApp account in two phones. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the SkyTech Studio, and today's guide video will show you how you can use the same WhatsApp account in two different phones using Android or iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right into the video, guys. Well, so now to do that, here I have my Android phone, and if I open up the WhatsApp, you'll get to see the WhatsApp account. So let's say I just want to use this WhatsApp account to my another phone. Now to do that, from the WhatsApp homepage, go ahead and tap on this three-dot line right here and tap on link devices. Now once you're here inside this page, just go ahead and come to another phone. So here I have my iPhone, and let's say I just want to use the WhatsApp on my iPhone. So you can use the same WhatsApp on your Android phone as well if you have another one. So from my iPhone, if I open up the WhatsApp, you'll get to see the WhatsApp is freshly installed, and from this page you just need to tap on agree and continue, and from the login page you'll get to see the three-dot line at the top right. You just need to tap on this one and go ahead and tap on link as companion device. You're just going to tap on this one, and it's going to quickly show you the QR code, and you just need to come to your Android phone again, and from the link device page you just need to tap on link device, and you just need to scan the QR code from here. And once you have scanned the QR code, the same WhatsApp will be logged in on both devices. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.